It starts here, where the sky is our playground. At Garuda Aerospace, we are not just flying, we are transforming. From revolutionizing farms to empowering farmers, we harness the power of AI-driven aerial intelligence to transform agriculture. In infrastructure, defense, agriculture, industry and beyond, we provide solutions that aren't just smart, they are game-changing. With over 10,000 youth trained and 500 pilots in action, Garuda Aerospace is not just leading, we are creating leaders. Through the Kisan Drone Yatra, India's largest drive, we are transforming farmers into smart farmers, modernizing agriculture with knowledge and innovation. We are more than technology. We are India's undying passion. We are the helm of a drone revolution. Garuda Aerospace, India's leading drone solutions innovator.